to make a video explaining my spool holders and how they work. As you can see, I have a setup up here. These I also printed. You can see them on my other thing files in a video explaining all of this. But I'll grab two of these. Grab this spool. And I'll grab this spool. So as you can see, I designed these spools or spool holders with a lot of modularity, so you can literally fit any brand or sized spool in them, given that you print different sized arms that fit your spool. So these are the arms. There's three of them. They can either be a fat rod or a skinny rod. I'll explain that in a second. So a lot of spools either have a big hole in the middle or a tiny hole in the middle. So basically, you're either going to print two skinny rods of equal length and one fat rod of equal length. So what you do when you get a spool is you just measure it this way, see how much you got going this way, and keep in mind that on the base arm here, it does go in about 0.2 inches. So account for that. So add about 0.3 inches to what you need based off your spool, and take the appropriate length, or download the appropriate length rods, and judge if you're going to need a fat or a skinny one. In the case that you have a skinny hole, print out 3 skinny ones with a base arm that has a skinny top for more support. In the case that you have a fat top, you just need to print out a fat one of the equal length and 2 skinny ones of equal length. These guys just they screw back in, get nice and tight. You can hear them getting tight in there. Screw all this together once you got it. No matter what, fat or skinny, the spinner arm stays the same, so that doesn't really matter. And then these will screw back on. As you can see, it's very strong. Like it's not going to come undone. This can be printed at 0.3 millimeters layer height, but this just misses so that you don't have the ends of your spools coming on the outside of the spool and tangling up or tangling in, and it spins freely, no friction at all. So as you can see, I have these loading up from underneath, and I have a whole bunch of brands in here: Ninja Flex, Made Solid, MakerBot, Hatchbox, Gizmo Dorks, Prototype Supply, 3DX Tech, and they all fit on the same type of spool. So as you can see, some are fatter, some are skinnier. I have the different length rods in there now. I didn't have them before, but I have them now. So yeah, that's pretty much explains everything about the spool and the spool holder. Thanks for watching.